Friday, Slot Car News, sponsored by lebhobbies.com. LEB Hobbies, racing fast, made easy. Visit lebhobbies.com. Good Friday, everybody. God, I hate GoPro. Can't get my phone to connect to see if I'm in the frame properly or what format this is being shot in. Yeah, GoPro, so awesome. Don't buy one. This is the biggest news, the most news I've ever had. We have 12 news items. For those of you, and that means most of you, who only stick around for maybe half of the news, you're going to miss 6 cars. So let's start off. We're going to tick these off as we go here. SRC LMP1 being shown decorated finally. The car looks really fantastic. We've been seeing the mold now for quite a while and the parts. Now we get to see it decorated. Looks amazing. Big news from Avant Slot. Now this is really cool. Kind of going along with the 80s, the 70s cars, the 80s cars. We're getting a 308 Ferrari from them at some point. Oh man, that is freaking incredible. It was being shown with a rally livery, I think. I'm not really sure though. But here's the rendering, the CAD file of the body. Looks fantastic. Sideways. 2 bits of sideways news here. BMW Jaeger being shown. Whew. That looks amazing. Coming soon. And we have the GTE body that's being shown on their Facebook page. Again, this car looks really fantastic. They've been showing various painted decorations of this for a while now. They're test shots, I'm thinking. But there you go. GTE body. Looks fantastic. Awesome. NSR. 2 pieces of NSR news. Some Mercedes SLS AMGs. The Mobil 1 liveries are coming. These look incredible. Absolutely incredible. Going to be very exciting to see those. The Ford Martini liveries of the, what is that, the P car? They look really amazing. Those are coming soon as well. Fly news. Finally, we're getting the decorated, I think these are the team cars of the Le Mans liveries of the number 2 and the number 3, which are going to be coming really soon. I mean, if you can't get excited about that, well, I know I am personally, but yeah, really cool news to see that coming from them. More pictures of the Pocono livery. This was from 2003, something like that. It was from the 2000s. A modern livery of a car that was raced or did laps at Pocono, which is only about a little over an hour from me. If I get a sample of this car, I may take it to Pocono to photograph on the track at Pocono, if I'm able to. Tons of liveries of that car being shown, updated photos. One photo, and I believe this is the Sebring car, of the next Ford GT40 from Slot coming. Absolutely fantastic. The car looks dazzling. More Slot news. The second livery of the Maserati GT3. Oh boy, this car looks really good. The Maserati GT3 mold, a personal favorite of mine from Slot that's come out recently. Next, Area 71 continues to impress with a pair of 488 Ferraris in 2 scales. These folks have absolutely been killing it. They have so many cool new kind of one-off cars that they do, and yeah, I mean, I really think that 3D printing is pretty much gonna, it's not gonna overtake injection molding, but it's going to really give the hobbyists cars that, for whatever reason, they can't get from anybody else. So lots of one-off cars, or cars with difficult licensing issues, let's say. But Area 71, absolutely killing it. Now, the last two pieces of news are not slot cars, but I'm including them because I get a lot of comments about the t-shirts that I wear. Most of the shirts that I wear come from BlipShift. So this week, they had the bullet decoration on a shirt. I did order one of these. I have it on the way. And for some inexplicable reason, I really don't know why I missed ordering the Le Mans 1966 shirt with 3 Ford GT40s with 123 or 215 for those of you that know the liveries, of course. That was the year, as we know, that Ken Miles won, but it was taken away from him because I don't know why. Well, I mean, we've all seen Ford versus Ferrari and hopefully read the book Go Like Hell. And, you know, we all know the story. Bruce McLaren was given the race. Bucknam and I think it was Bucknam and Hutcherson finished in third in the number 5, the copper car. And, yeah, so I don't have any affiliation with BlipShift, but because I buy so many of these shirts and I wear them for these news videos because I think it's appropriate, I figured I'd include some of these in here if they're particularly tasty shirts. And I really am looking forward to getting the bullet shirt. Yeah, so anyway, that's a lot of news items. Thank you all for hanging around very much. Thanks for bearing with me. Hopefully I'm in the frame. God, I want to get another camera because, yeah, this GoPro, it's a 5. It's years old, and it's annoying the crap out of me. Happy place, happy place. Fizzy water. Cheers, everybody. Have a good weekend, and see you next week. Oh, wait. I have an assignment on Saturday morning, so for the newspaper I work for, so I won't be able to stream. I did a stream last week for the first time ever, and I streamed for nearly 3 hours. Good God. I plan on streaming more. Seemed like you know, we had a fair number of people stick around the whole time, which was frankly shocking to me, because I didn't know if anyone would show up. It was an unannounced stream. It was more just like kind of a test to see if I could figure out how to do it. And yeah, I figured out how to do it. So I will be doing more streams. I'll probably be doing a stream this Sunday morning, actually. Although that's when the Formula One race is on. Yeah, no, I'll probably still do it. Hell with it. Anyway, thanks everybody for sticking around. Thanks for everybody for coming to the live stream. I really appreciate it. Thanks for all the support. See you again soon, folks.